Yeah, this is the ragdoll engine experience. Yeah, I just joined this game like 10 minutes ago, and I'm already getting pushed by random people for no reason. Like the first 5 seconds of the game, I already got pushed twice. Let's see how much more times I could get pushed. It was that dude. Cause is this? No. Cause I joined, and I misspelled a piece. I was like, why can't I play ragdoll engine in peace? And then I spelled it like pieces. Like, yeah, you know what I mean. Then, like 30 seconds later, when I was over there, he said, no, you can't play ragdoll engine in peace, but you can play it in peace if you want to. So like I said, I just misspelled, and now he's AFK. I don't know why he's AFK, but I'd rather, no, stop. I saw that. Noobus, you suck. Trash can. Go live in a trash can. I haven't gotten pushed in like a pretty long time since I started recording. What the heck? Oh, what? Oh, it's that I don't know why the ragdoll engine map is broken. I'm finna bomb this dude. What? She's gonna push me now. I don't know why I keep doing this with my camera. Oh my god, bro. What is this? What is this? What the freak is this? That doesn't match at all. This dude avatar. Like, oh my god. Doesn't Stitch Face cost like 4,000 Robux? That face is overpriced by 110%. It should be like 150 Robux. Well, I haven't. Oh, hey. Hey. Nice hat. And I have that face. Nah, bro, don't talk to this dude, bro. He's gonna curse you out. I wanna buy that fish hat when I get one, but the balloon. I don't know what to do in this game anymore. This video isn't gonna be really that exciting. Oh yeah, also, there is an audio that I use in Arsenal. Where is there? gonna slap tablet. That's probably copyrighted. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm almost level 100. I gotta turn my graphics down now because I'm playing on a potato. I swear, if it shows this Arsenal thumbnail, I'm gonna be mad. Recording also makes my game lag more, so... Okay, he's dead. I have improved a lot in 2 months. I don't know why it's not letting me shoot. I'm at 10 health though. Dang, I got a person. Really? Oh my god, these dumb trampolines. I'm finna. I'm not really trying right now. I'm not actually gonna play the game. Where are they shooting me? If I was trying, I would have been doing all this. I would be doing that, but I'm not. Sometimes do it just so I go faster. I'm being shot at. It's always great. I don't know what happened to that. Why did I not find anything? Oh. Yes, I really found. If I get shot in this game, my FPS drops like 50. If I find anyone. Jeez. Legit isn't pop. They're all hiding in here. Oh. I wonder if he's gonna come down. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, this video was probably more Arsenal than Ragdoll Engine. But yeah. If you made it this far into my cringy videos, thank you. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what is your character? Well, I just mixed that I'm gonna mix the green outfit with one of my top hat outfits that I don't have saved, and yeah, that I gotta update that one because I'm supposed to have bunny ears and the eye patch and the winky face, this face on it. But I'm gonna use that face on this. No, bro, I don't know what face to use now. I haven't used this face or this face in a really long time. Oh, still chill. No, but no. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. I'm totally not using it because it's overpriced. I'm actually not. It is overpriced. Is it? I think it was. I don't think it's like overpriced like this Stitch face. Yeah, it's 150 as I expected. Glee is, I think Swigglmouth is a little bit underpriced. Whistle underpriced. Slickfang overpriced. Disbelief. No, it's good where it's at. What's in the bowl? Of course, pop, adopt me and kill me I'm speechless. Yeah, beat up simulator. Yeah, this is the game that I used in the whatchamacallit. The Flamingo beats me up and I get my revenge video. Tower of Demon. I think this video is too long, so I'm gonna end it now. See you later.